My name is Desmond Curtin. I'm a retired high school teacher. I taught barbering at Morrell Dobbins Career and Technical Education High School for 11 years, and I had a ball. I had the best time. But you know, when God say it's time to move, I move. So I didn't really know that I was going to start a nonprofit called These Kids. I was happy just working with my own hands and doing construction. So that was my plan: retire from teaching high school and then start doing construction full time. I opened a construction company and away we go. And that summer in particular, when I retired in 2023 from teaching high school, I got to work with the Work Ready program, and they gave me about 6 youth to be able to work. And we worked all summer, and we really had a great time learning masonry and digging foundations and pouring concrete and building cinder block walls. And that's when the Lord laid it on my heart and said, yeah, you're not getting away from working with the kids. So I opened up the nonprofit These Kids Construction Education Program, where we now train kids ages 14 to 21 and teach them all of my favorite things about home renovation.
Yeah, my name is Kwame Hervin.
Jalinda Thomas.
My name is Kaden.
My name is Salim Thurp.
Shahir Robinson.
My name is Just Immersion.
My name is Kaisha.
My name is Jacob Robinson.
My name is Davon Long.
My name is Donnell Richardson.
My name is Alex. Oh, my name is Alexander. Oh, you want my last name too? My name is Alexander Ortholasa.
I'm Madison Jackson.
Hello, my name is Gregory Davis.
My name is Destiny Campbell.
Jalen Vines.
Hello, my name is Logan Watson.
What are they doing today?
My young people today are taking their OSHA safety certifications. We have some people taking their OSHA 10 in construction safety, and others are taking their OSHA 30 in construction safety to get ready for their hands-on experience in the summer program.
Oh, awesome. So what is OSHA?
Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and basically they are the governing body in the U.S. that pretty much gives us everything that we need to know about every industry, the standards of workplace safety, like how to stay safe. Well, the OSHA 10 is 10 hours worth of training, right? And the OSHA 30 is 30 hours. The difference is OSHA 10 is basically just to get on the work site, but OSHA 30 allows you to do a little more. Like, so with the OSHA 30 certification, you can become a site manager.
It's going good. You know, I'm already on like 9 hours and 30 minutes.
All right, so you only have 30 minutes left, or are you going to do any other certifications after this?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my OSHA 30.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah.
I was just going to help you out.
It's going to help me in the future, like, make money and stuff. Like, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to make some money and, you know, like, build for the community.
Hi, my name is Mariah Carby. I work with the wonderful nonprofit called One Day at a Time, and for short, ODAAT. So this summer, I have the amazing opportunity of working with our workforce program. However, working with These Kids Construction Education Program, where we'll actually be renovating our kitchen at our youth space on 2534 North Broad Street. It's not in the best conditions right now. She's holding up, so I'm super excited for these kids to come in and just do the work that they do in the community.
So today we are here on site at ODAAT, which is One Day at a Time, one of my favorite nonprofits on the planet. And their youth and family mode has this kitchen here, right? It's a kitchen that has served them and it's done good, but like all good things must come to an end. So these kids construction education program and the youth, we're gonna gut this kitchen. We're gonna tear this kitchen out, take the cabinets off the walls, secure the plumbing, secure the electrical, get rid of the sink, get rid of the cabinets. We're rolling! And get rid of the cabinets here. We're gonna tear down this wall right here, this wall right here. We're gonna tear down this wall, secure the electric in here as well. We're gonna do new flooring. We're gonna replace the ceiling tiles and put lights in. We're gonna put outlets in. We're gonna run water for this fridge. And then before you know it, it's gonna be a brand new kitchen, brand new everything. Everybody good? Everybody good? Yes, if you can hear me, say yes. Yes. All right. If I say Staler, you say? Stay alive. If I say Staler, you say? Stay alive. If you say Staler, I say? Stay alive. Thank you very much. Okay, good. You better not fall over there, all right, everybody got safety glasses on. Yes? Hard to see these dark ones. Demolition, y'all, as much as it may seem like it needs to be messy when you see it on TV, it doesn't have to be messy, especially with all this glass window right here. We definitely can't be swinging sledgehammers and carrying on, okay? And it's a small space, so you don't want to go crazy. You want everybody to be safe in this space, right? Right, okay, good. So we're going to do what's called a controlled demolition, right? Very easy. We can rip the cabinet off the wall with no problem, but we don't have to. We got a drill. We can actually easily unloose the screws, take the screws out the wall, take the cabinet off the wall, and roll from there. We're gonna do everything the same way, okay? Take the one over to the right out first, and the one in the middle, take it out slow.
All right.
Okay.
What made me want to join these kids' construction education program is that I like doing hands-on work. I feel like this program matters because it will get you out of the way of what you're doing, and whatever you're doing out in the street, it shouldn't be what you want to be doing anyway, because it comes a lot with that. It's a lot of things you putting yourself in jeopardy of, and that's what can cause you to get in jail and nobody want that. You should want to be in a trade in school and want to get your life together.
I believe it's important because AI is taking over and your hands are your most valuable things, and learning new skills can put you in, can create new opportunities and business opportunities.
Yeah, y'all clap it up, clap it up. Good job. Very good. Look at that, y'all, it's a whole new kitchen already. Good stuff. Look at that.
I wanted to join the These Kids Education program or construction program because I'm affiliated with ODAAT, which is One Day at a Time, Youth and Family Ministry as well. And so they had this opportunity for me to help be a part of something greater, helping turn in the community kitchen to make it better and newer. And so I wanted to join to get that experience, but also meet new people and help other people learn how to do it as well.
I don't know, I just wanted to learn construction. I heard you can make a lot of money, so I want to do it. I like money.
My team right here, is the greatest team ever.
That lug is already, all right, good. You know what I'm saying? You want to give yourself room so you can put the tape measure flat.
We got Jess here,
right, okay.
and we got Jacob here. They both cooking right now with the measurements.
I feel like it's a trade that'll never die, especially with all this AI going on. They can't take that. Somebody got to build the AI too. Somebody got to build the buildings that the AI gonna be in. So they need people. So I know that's a job. If money ever short, I could always do construction. I think it's very important because I think every trade or anything you could do hands-on is something that can never be replaced. I think everybody gonna need somebody that can know how to fix things or know how to replace stuff, know how to put things in place, learn how to lay brick. I think that's one of the most important skills, especially in man should know.
And learning a trade is like, it can help you with a lot of stuff, like new opportunities and new paths for you. I'm not really like talkative, so like working as a team helped me talk more and meet new people.
I think it's important because in this world you need more than one option, and working with your hands can give you more opportunities and skills.
My goal after this summer is to go to trade school to be an electrician. It's important for young people to learn a trade and skill because college is not for everybody. If you know a skill, something you're good at, you can make money from it.
I'm hoping to get more experience with construction. I'm also hoping to get to know more people and have a more fun working experience.
A trade will teach you more than just like making money. It'll teach you like social skills and how to be your own boss, which can lead you to making way more money and having people on your team.
Perfect. Now go up on the angle again. Now, yeah, perfect. Now angle back towards us. Right, good. Now go in.
I feel like this program matters because like when you come here, like you get like the chance to meet new people. You get the chance to learn new stuff, like I said. And that's it, really.
Yeah! Let's go, D's kids!
My joint decent. Hey!
Get your OSHAs, kids. Get your OSHAs.
These kids don't play. We get in, get it out.
When we get started, you gotta wake me up, right? I say who that, you say ODAAT. Who that? ODAAT! Come on, I got the youth in the room. Youth for sure how it's done. Do it again. Wake me up, wake me up. Who that? ODAAT! Who that? ODAAT! Oh, baby, I can't wait to reveal this shirt. The shirt that I got on the back. I got on there. At this time, you better give, I want you to tear the roof off this place. Give it up for the real superstars, they leader, Dad's wife, and the whole youth division.
mess up this kitchen.
Thank God it's done. This project was hard. It was a lot going on at the same time, and while I'm usually working by myself with a lot of this stuff, it's such a blessing to be able to have these kids to work with. And I know that it wasn't by accident that the Lord had me teaching high school at Dobbins first, learning how to manage a classroom, learning that it's all about building relationships. You can try to force somebody into doing something, it's not going to stick, because then you always got to do that. But if you take the time to teach people that you care, and that you're going to be consistent, your boundaries are firm, eventually they start to understand, and there's nothing like understanding. The Bible says, get wisdom in all you're getting, get understanding, and I understand clearly that's about relationships with these kids. And as we build the relationships, the work becomes a lot simpler. Not that it becomes less complex, but it becomes simpler because we have a team of people who are thinking critically to be able to get the project done and accomplished. So thank God this is done. We got a little stuff to tighten up here and there. We're going to do that on Monday, but I'm just glad to be able to have a team of people who are like-minded and who want to work and who want to accomplish the mission that we have in front of us. So good.
It looks so good. It looks amazing. It looks great. I don't even remember what our janky old kitchen looked like before. Like, this looks so amazing. Like, I think it's beautiful. It looks like something that I've seen in pages of a catalog, but I would have never thought it would be in our office.
I learned how to do wall tiling. I learned how to paint. I learned how to do drop ceiling. And I also learned to work well with others.
My favorite part of the program this summer was definitely working with everybody, but also being able to feel like I accomplished something this summer and not just sitting around in my house, and being able to learn something new that I can use for the rest of my life.
My favorite thing in this program is probably like the teamwork and probably like getting to like build your own things and like see the hard work that you do over time, like being completed and finished.
So this experience, considering these kids' construction education program, has only been in existence since 2023, July of 2023. We're still fairly new and we're growing, and the amount of support that we have received from public school television, PSTV, to ODAAT, One Day at a Time, to PIA, Philadelphia Energy Authority. I mean, so many more. Floor and Decor, Home Depot, Lowe, has just been showing us so much love and attention to detail and giving us the support that we needed to complete this kitchen project. Has just been really, truly like priceless.
Yes, sir.
It's upside down.
Oh, my bad. There you go.
I wish it was though. It could have been.
Hey, sir.
What are we talking about?
That's what's up.